saltwater Florida bass paddler, and if you've seen my other videos, you know that I own a salty 120 PDL. Salty. There's never been in saltwater.
What?
Until today. Hoping to get a nice fish in her. Stay tuned.
Ooh, booger. Trout. Right.
Like maybe some murky water.
Right.
Purple chartreuse just. I also throw a D.O.A shrimp. Purple chartreuse.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know what it is about that purple.
Huh.
Maybe it's just me, you know?
Yeah.
It's just the fisherman. It's like that confident feeling you get.
That's like my Fiji chicken with the red head.
Exactly.
Yep.
I mean, there you go. You hit on the fall?
I stopped reeling, talking to you, and bloop.
I told you, man. It's that pause.
Yep.
Doing a little rich bait.
Yeah, Yuzuri. Like, you know, like the mirror,
Yeah, no, I love those.
the crystal,
Yeah.
baby. But it's okay.
Probably stop recording. I don't think I actually got a bite. That's what I'm saying. I know I hit a mullet with my line. He jumped out of the water right when it hit my line. Where are you?
Straight ahead.
Okay. Let's see if I can get him to hang on to these trebles. They were, I mean, I'm telling you, I was getting everything. There you go. Yeah, it's like a little nursery.
What'd you say, nursery?
Yellow nursery.
It's all right.
I think what they're doing is they're sitting up in that flat right there.
Uh-huh.
And they're like kind of just ambushing that ledge. They're so pretty.
They are. They're beautiful here.
It doesn't take much. Like I said, it's a quick change. But I think they're on that flat ambushing, which is why that ledge is more important.
Yeah, because I didn't get anything along the edges there.
Sometimes you'll get searching reds, but that's usually when you have more water. That's where I'll throw a spinnerbait or a chatterbait up there.
Okay.
There we go, double up. Oh, got a lady.
Settle down, settle down. Okay, settle down. I'm gonna let you go, I promise. You just gotta settle down. There you go. Talking to the fish, I said, I'm gonna let you go, I promise, but I need you to settle down. Should be getting another. That's crazy. That is so crazy.
That was awesome. What were you about to say there?
I should be getting another quarterly bonus at work, so I'm going to be picking up one of those Banshee rods over at Kevin's. Yeah, they got those nice casting ones.
Yeah. I've gotten hit 3 times on that one cast right there.
Is that a lady?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely take the loss on that one.
Oh yeah.
The trout come up top, they just don't jump. Not usually. There you go. Almost instant. This is one of the holes I was going to come to anyways. That I was telling you about.
Uh-huh. Crazy.
Never really caught anything. Oh, I lied.
Liar.
I'm like, I've never really caught anything in here. Look at that flounder. Holy oh my god. That's the biggest flounder I've ever caught in this area.
Oh wow. Nice. Nice flounder.
I have never caught a flounder this big here. In Jacksonville, by all means. Wow.
Very nice.
Oh my god. I thought it was a stingray, man.
As your rod just bent, I'm like, it's not coming up. Did he get like a smaller red or?
Yeah, I was thinking red too.
Yeah.
And then I kind of saw it flash. I was like, I got a stingray. No big deal.
Yeah.
Wow. Woo-wee. You're gonna have to get a picture of this one with me.
You got it. Okay, that's a little fighter. Decent. Oh, that's why he was swimming like that. It felt bigger than he was. I got his there she is. Yep. We got her. We got her red. I think so.
Make a man jealous. Tell him where to go. Red he's looking
Whoa. Okay. We are not happy. No, the fish is not happy.
Well, that's okay. You pierced him.
It feels weird.
Did you catch the fish?
No, the fight. Oh, no, it's a red. Okay, I didn't know if I foul hooked something too.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. That's a decent one. No, my D.O.A. cowtail and Fiji chicken with the red head.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I know.
Yeah.
They're strong.
Probably they are.
They've been eating so well. Not lazy.
I want to say mid-20s.
Hey,
Yeah.
beauty.
Pretty though. Bright.
Probably gonna be really nice and tan.
I would love for you to get a picture of this. hold my wife down. Wouldn't you get tired already?
What?
Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Aren't you tired yet? Yeah, you're tired. Maybe I'm wrong.
That's a good fish. That's definitely 22, 23. Good fish, man. Hell yeah. Bottom?
Yeah, off the very far point of that bar.
This side or that side?
Left side.
Okay.
Just doing my, jerking it, twitching it.
Come on, touch. Big bird.
That's exactly right.